Alright, so I just wanted to show you an easy way to play this for beginners in standard tuning, but you got to have a capo. I do have a capo link for a cheap one down in the description, so check that out if you want. I just threw a capo on 6th fret, and I'm going to play an A minor shape. So you're going to take your index finger, 1st fret of B, middle finger, 2nd fret of D, ring finger, 2nd fret of G. And the strum pattern is probably going to be the hardest part about this song. So what you're going to do, what the strum pattern is down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So a little slower. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Even a little slower. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Now the trick is that we got to switch to the 2nd chord halfway through that. So we're going to switch on the 1st up strum. Down, 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 up. All right. Now what chord you're switching to is a C shape, so all you got to do is move one finger, move your ring finger up to 3rd fret of the A string. The other fingers stay where they are. So, alright, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Now there's one other thing you can add in. You don't have to add this in. So right after the 1st up, you're going to add a little, it's called a chuck, where you set your hand sideways on the strings and you rake the pick across the strings really quickly. It's just a rhythmic technique. You don't have to add this in, but it kind of adds a little flair to the strum pattern. Now, of course, you got to be ready for your next up strum, because remember the strum pattern, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So you throw that in, you got to be ready to continue with the strum pattern. So it's going to sound like down, 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 up, down, 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 up. One more time, a little slower. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So you hear it in there. I threw it in. It's just a real quick rhythmic technique. And that's something that can kind of add just sort of a galloping feeling to your guitar strum pattern. So let's go ahead and learn the next chord. So we got A minor to C. Now we're going to go to a G shape. Middle finger, 3rd fret of low E. And then I like to just try to mute out the A string with the bottom of my middle finger, but then I set my ring finger, 3rd fret of B, pinky, 3rd fret of high E. Now, same strum pattern here, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And then again on the up, we got to switch to the next chord, which is a D shape. So see where you are in that G shape there, where your ring finger setting down on the 3rd fret of the B. That makes it really easy to pivot up to that D chord. So you just leave that ring finger down, 3rd fret of B, bring index finger down to 2nd fret of G, middle finger, 2nd fret of high E. All right, so you can practice just switching between those two chords a couple times before you try the strum pattern. So the strum pattern will be like, again, remember, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. One more time. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And with that chuck in there, in between the two up strums, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. All right. So that's the chords that for most of the song. So you got A minor to C to G to D. And then after, you'll hear a couple different sections in the song. I think that's the main progression for the verses and the choruses. But you will hear like a little build-up thing that goes. All right, so what that is F to G. So for F, index finger first fret of B, middle finger second fret of G, ring finger third fret of A, pinky third fret of D. And you're just gonna do all down strums on the driving part. And then jump to the G, and then it'll go back in. You may also hear some whole note strums. And those are easy, simple, just strum it, let it ring when you hear that happen in the song. Alright? So that's what I got for you on this song. If this was helpful for you, please go ahead, hit the like and subscribe and the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video.